Hello everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome back to another RAMShard control panel tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you to easily get started with MySQL on your control panel so you can easily have a database to use for your plugins and your server if you need. Though before we get started, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're enjoying these tutorials. Now head to the control panel, and then once on the control panel, you'll notice an advanced drop down tab to the left sidebar. Go ahead and click on that, and then go ahead and click on where it says MySQL database. Now starting out, you won't have a database created. It should say there is no database currently associated with this server, though on the left sidebar you should see a plus button and it should be titled Create Database. Go ahead and click that and then click the OK pop-up that pops up on your screen. Now you'll notice a few options. You have the host. The host is what the IP address you'll use in the plugins and configurations to connect to the database. Then you have the name, which is a database name. Then you have the username, which is a database username. Then you have the password as well. Now you'll notice an admin username and an admin password. You don't need to worry about those, so those can be ignored. You'll also have an administration link. The administration link is used to edit the database. You can change tables, add tables, manually input stuff, and just change things overall. Now, you'll also notice there's an option for a new password in case your password gets leaked or something. You can change the password easily from the control panel. So hopping over to the phpMyAdmin link, go ahead and copy the username from your control panel, then also copy the password. So you want to paste it in the username and password option. Now leave the server choice alone as that is automatically selected. We have multiple servers that automatically balance out the load of all the MySQL servers, so your MySQL server is running as smoothly as possible. Now once you have the username and password put in, go ahead and click the Go button. Now upon joining in, you'll see your database name on the left sidebar. When you click on that, you'll notice there are no tables in the database. This is because you have not used it yet. Once you hook it up to a plugin, the plugin will create a table in the database, and then within that table you can edit the values if you need or not. It really depends on what your use is for this. Now that is how you easily get started to use a MySQL database for your server with us. Thanks for watching.